Hello again, everyone, and we are almost done here. We've only got a little bit more with about 2 sections left. Where in 5.4, we are developing very directly on the things we saw in 5.1 and 5.2. That is, we're talking about solving systems of nonlinear equations, where actually our approach doesn't change all that much. It's just that now we have more possible points of intersections because we have more possible degrees of things, more complicated figures we can look at finding the connections between, but still we're working in terms of things like addition, elimination, substitution, graphing. It still follows all the same logic, so it's a very natural place to go. And then from there, we're finishing off with another look off to the side at inequalities. So we're talking about systems of inequalities, how we can model with those things, what they might look like, how I might graph inequalities in the plane, just whole bunch of little things there to finish off on, where we're not going to get all of this section here, but I decided that since 5.4 is actually very short, I want to give us a little bit of 5.5 as well, so that next week is even a little bit lighter. But for this week, because of Thanksgiving, it's a little bit weird with our scheduling. I'm probably going to give you guys a little bit of extra time on that worksheet, and it's going to be extra credit this week, so get some points back there. Then we have our MyLab deadlines because next week is our fourth and last unit exam. We still have the final, but that's our last unit exam. So you have a bunch of stuff in for that, as well as a pre-assessment to make sure that when we get into our last week of review, we're all as ready as we can be for that material. But that's pretty normal setup other than the fact that the dates are going to be a little bit jumbled. Let's get in here and let's get to work on our last couple of sections.